Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 15 Plus in a few different ways and then turn it back on as well. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way is using the buttons. You're going to press either the volume up or volume down button along with the side button. You're going to press and hold simultaneously either the volume up or volume down button along with the side button for about a few seconds, just like this. So when you hold it just like this, it will pop up with a menu like this where you can just slide to power off. So that's method number one, using the buttons. Now if you want to use just the software, you can go into your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down. There's also a shutdown button right here, which is on the screen. You can slide again to turn off that way. Finally, for another method is if you're having Siri on, so in your settings, make sure your Siri is turned on or listening for doesn't matter, or use the side button. Basically, you're gonna invoke Siri to power down. So here, I'll turn on Siri and say, "Hey Siri, power down."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. So you can say power down, power off. Siri will take that command, and once you confirm it, will turn off the phone for you without you having to touch anything. So those are three ways you can turn it off. Now to turn it back on, it's going to be really simple. You're going to press and hold just this side button here until you see the Apple logo appear, just like I'm doing right now. And once you see the Apple logo, you can let go of that side button and it will turn on normally. Now, if for some reason it's not working, you can also plug it into a charger that will automatically kick it on as well if it's turned off. So those are ways to turn it on as well. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.